For those of you that have been asking about the makeup routine, this is for you. This is my first step. Normally my next step is eyebrows, but I just got them freshly microbladed, so I'm going to show you what I typically use. The Maybelline Express Brow. Express. Okay, foundation. I mixed two. IL Maquillage and Infallible 32 hour fresh wear. Am I supposed to put it all over my face? I don't know. Do I still do it? Yeah. Well, let me go ahead and stop you right there, Karen. I am not a makeup influencer whatsoever. Never claimed to be. People have asked me for this makeup routine, so here we are. Blend your whole entire life away. I can tell you with this one, I do get the hydrating one, not the other one. And when it first goes on, you're a little like, but it does oxidize in a few minutes and it comes out looking great. I use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This shade is Fair Beige. I just put dots. I kind of use this as my eyeshadow primer. Am I supposed to? Probably not. I don't use beauty blenders anymore. I used to for a really long time, but now I use brushes and I like that a lot better. Cream contour is the Halo Glow from e.l.f. This is where I put it. Blend your life away. You should start seeing the shape shifting begin. I kind of drag mine up under my eye a little bit, like right under my eyebrow. This is where we're at so far. Kimchi Puff Puff Pass, Handy Dandy Puffer. And I don't bake. A little dab-a-doo everywhere. I definitely have textured skin. It's okay. It's fine. Bronzer. You're going to put the bronzer everywhere that you just put cream bronzer. And don't be stingy with it, because if you mess up, then you can just go back and fix it. It's just makeup. Then for blush, I have Revlon Tickled Pink. For the longest time, I would not use blush because I thought it made me look like a clown. And I still can't use lipstick for the same reason. It just doesn't look good on my face. You'll see later. Okay, for my eyes, I start out with my e.l.f. Powder. And I'd use this in the corner and I put this all over the lid. One sec. I don't know why, but I use my highlighter in my inner corner. I don't use a regular eyeshadow. Is that wrong? Probably, but I'm not a beauty influencer and I do what I want over here. Matter of fact, I'm not an influencer of any kind. I am just a content creator. Okay, so we are here. Next, I'm going to get my soft color bronzer and I'm going to go all over eyes. And I just kind of do the back and forth windshield wiper. I actually learned to use your bronzer from, you know, Alyssa and Charles. I don't know if you watch them on YouTube or Facebook, but she actually was using her bronzer for eyeshadow. And I was like, that's a good idea. That's where I got it from. Okay, we should look like this now. We still have some more eye to do. 24K Nudes is my go-to. Don't ask me why. I've had it since I was like a child and I still use it. I don't know the name of the color, but I dip into that one. And I use this one in the corner. And I just kind of darken up the corner on both sides with it. And then I blend it a little bit. Kind of like that. Okay, we have both eyes. Now we got to blend it a little bit. Brush with nothing on it. And blend your little life away. Just kind of get them all flowing together. Like, what's that guy that does the painting? Bob with the curly hair that I used to watch growing up. We're just going to paint away. Blend away. Happy trees. Happy trees. That guy. Got kind of a little rough edge there. So I'm going to clean it up. For the eyeliner part, I use a brush and this dark chocolate one. And I'm just kind of like going under right here. And then flick it. Flick it. Sometimes you gotta like smoke it out, blend it out a little bit. This is the setting spray that I use. Watch out now. I use regular schmegular lip gloss. Excuse you, cat. I either use the Tree Hut Sugar Lips oh my gosh. And I also use pretty much every day the lip scents from Senegence. This is costly though, I can tell you that now. I will not repurchase. This shade is called Brooklyn. Mascara is Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. I do not use the waterproof. I do not like that one. I'm a little extra with this. I use a bunch of coats until I get my eyes looking exactly how I want them to. All right, that's it. That's all. That is my normal day-to-day, every single day makeup routine. Like I said, don't kill me in the comments because I'm not a beauty influencer. This is just what I wear. Have a great day.